I'm pretty sure kilala na natin lahat yung girl na nag-post about the flatline and things like that during like nursing school. Bet it's all over like nursing TikTok dito sa US. That's how you know you effed up because how did it get through a whole different country and a whole different continent? Kung ginawa mo yan dito sa Amerika, napademanda ka na and you're probably be in prison right now. Nagulat din ako, kapangalan ko pa, my God. Don't worry, I will be going to nursing school but that will not be happening. All in all, it's kind of crazy na mariris mo yung lahat na 4 na taon mong paghihirap just because you want to do some silly little vlog. Naisip ko din, paano mo na-record yung sarili mo na naiyak? Ano yun? Sinetap mo pa yung phone mo na ganyan. Tapos, lumayo ka and you're like, what? I just can't believe na naisipan mong tama yon when it's literally a life you're talking about. Oo, wala ka nilabas na pangalan. Oo, gano'n. Pero buhay yung pinag-uusapan natin and you just basically put that out on the internet. That's kind of crazy. Tapos na-report na din yata to sa news sa Pilipinas, so that's crazy.